Thousand gents, welcome back. And I just received a package in the mail that I am super excited to open. I definitely wanted to take this on my birthday trip, but I don't know if that's going to happen because of the whole corona thing. We'll wait and see, but I'm definitely going to open this and see. I will have to put a link to her channel down below, but one of the young ladies that I follow here on YouTube, and if you know who you are, comment on this video so I can tag your channel. You told us about Fabulize You, and Fabulize You is a young girl out of Florida that makes jewelry. And I went and followed her page, and then I went and did an order from her. So I will put the information down below if you can't see it. I think I went through her Facebook, but her email is fabulizeyou@yahoo.com, and everything will be down below. Hopefully y'all can see that. Just in case it's a little blurry, it is fabulizeu@yahoo.com, and it says, just a note to say thank you for your purchase from my shop. I hope you enjoy your creation as much as I enjoyed creating it. I did ask her for something specific. Normally my mind doesn't work that way. Normally I have to see what you do and what you created, and I can be like, oh, I want something like that, or I want that. I also like the fact that she does not duplicate anything. So what you get will not be 100% duplicated up to someone else. It's handcrafted jewelry and accessories. Her name is Tiffany Smith Martin, and her Instagram is Fabulize You. So FABULIZE and the letter U. That's her Facebook and her Instagram. Go on and check her out. So let's see what we have here. Oh, I probably didn't bring any scissors with me. First of all, everything comes in these cute little pink envelopes. Bubble pink envelopes. And I think I asked for 3 bracelets. One of them was like the charm dangling bracelet, and the other 2 are beaded. That's what I asked for. And I asked for blue. I'm just not remembering, because I was looking like through all my beaded bracelets and I don't have any blue. So I wanted to get blue, because like whenever you're wearing blue jeans or anything like that, you can throw the blue on. So that's why I picked that. So, and I did tell her that my wrists were small. So here is the first one. It is the Chanel charm. Sorry, I blocked the lighting. And it looks like this, because I want to mix my charms, some of my charms like this, with some of my beaded bracelets. And I did see that on her page, which gave me the idea, like, you don't always have to wear all of these together. You don't always have to wear all of the beaded ones together. You can put one of these on with your beaded bracelets. So that's the Chanel. And hunty, your girl loves to bling. They both came in a little bag. Y'all know I love the bling, baby. Check this out. Like, y'all don't even understand the bling that's coming through this camera right now. You don't even understand. This sapsucker right here is gorgeous, and y'all know I love to bling. This is gorgeous. I may have to do another order after all this corona stuff go on. Look at that. Beautiful. Those 2 together. And like, the camera is probably not even doing this beautiful butterfly any justice, because it is just shining everywhere, and I'm not even outside. Like, I'm not even outside. Okay, so let's open the third one. I think her special was, but go to her page so you can be sure. It's like 3 for something, 5 for something. She has specials. Oh, you guys. Wow. I did not even pay attention to the fact. She said gift included, and I wasn't really sure what that was. This is the gift that she included, because here is my set. Y'all, I love to support people, but I love when they show love back, especially when it blinks. Y'all, this is the gift. You guys, Both of these girls are going to be down below. I have to find that other girl's YouTube channel. Let me see. I don't want to hold y'all up, but what is her YouTube channel? It starts with a D. I know it starts with a D. The other girl's YouTube channel. Because I wouldn't have found this young lady if it wasn't for her. And she has a YouTube channel, and y'all have to go support. Oh, please let me find out. It might be Deidre. Because I want to make sure that she gets some love too. Because I wouldn't have found Fabulize You if it wasn't for her. Let me see if I can do it another way. I'm just sitting here like y'all is really like in my face and I'm not holding y'all up. But I really want to find her channel. I'm going to find it though. It's Deidre something. And I was watching her videos one day and she was doing a video on this nice young lady, and that's how I found it. All right, I'm going to find it. If you know who I'm talking about, you need to, hold on. Because y'all know I don't like to leave nobody out. I don't like to leave nobody out. I'm going to find it. I don't like to leave nobody out. Because you know what? This is her, I don't know if y'all going to be able to see it. Fabulize You, her Facebook. And you know what? She had gave her a shout out. So I just thought about that. That's probably the best way to go. Tiffany. Yes. Okay. Deidre She Dazzling. Deidre She Dazzling. You guys go follow her and let her know that I sent you. Deidre, Deidra, She Dazzling, Dazzling. I don't know if y'all going to be able to see it. She looks like that, you guys. Go follow her page, because if it had not been for her, I would not have gotten this blessing and these beautiful, beautiful pieces. So the pieces that I ordered, once again, I did order one charm bracelet, two beaded bracelets in the color blue. So that's what threw me off, because the free gift that she sent, you know, but here is my set. So honey, blessings to you. Blessings to you. Thank you so much. So here's my set. Here's my set. Ah, careful. How you get in now? Okay. Here is my set. So here is the first one. The Chanel. You guys probably can't tell, but it is also rhinestoned and blinged out. Here is my blue beaded one. And I don't know if you can tell, but there's some other little dazzling beads right there in between. And the Chanel. And then here is the other one. And this one has the regular seeds. That's the regular seeds. And I'm absolutely stoked, you guys. Like I can wear them all together. I can mix them in with some of my other ones. Like, you guys know I have the paper towel holder and I have a bunch of beads on there. I need to go through them because some of the bracelets after a while get kind of stretched out of wart, and the little clear thing that they use in between, it starts to thin out and pop. So I need to go through my bracelets, and sadly, Sadly, I do need to get rid of some of them, but I do want to get the charms off of them before I get rid of them. I do want to do that, but I do need to get rid of some of my bracelets. So I'm trying to restock, and I need to get colors that I don't have. And I was looking, and I didn't have any blue, anything to throw the blue in with. 90% of my bracelets are gold and pink. Yeah, like 90% of them are gold and pink. So this is, I'm super stoked. I'm super stoked. She will definitely get another order from me. I don't know if my trip's going to happen or not, so I'm going to wait and see what's going to happen with that for my birthday. But Miss Tiffany, I will be ordering from you again. Trust and believe. You guys go over and support both of them. Check down below for, I'm going to try to put links, or I'm going to have their names spelled exactly so that you can find it. Thank you so much, Deidre. I would not have found Tiffany Fabulize You without you. So thank you so much. Here is my order, sister girl. Thank you so much. Your video was very inspiring and helpful. And this girl got them hands. Okay, she got them hands, baby. Thank you so much. You guys go over and check her out. Once again, here's her card, her phone number, and everything. Hopefully it shows up correctly. If not, I am going to type everything in the beauty bar below. If you watch this video while I'm in the middle of editing, please be patient. I am going to add her information. If you need to get to her immediately, her Instagram and Facebook is Fabulize You, Fabulize, and the letter U. Hit her up. Don't wait. Don't sleep. She is thebomb.com. Thank you for everything. Hugs and kisses to everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next video.